When does a second qualifying event apply to COBRA? Imagine you're on COBRA coverage after losing your job or having your work hours cut back. You think your coverage ends after 18 months, but then something unexpected happens. That's when a second qualifying event might come into play. A second qualifying event happens when a family member who is covered under COBRA experiences a new event that would cause them to lose coverage if the first event had not occurred. This can extend their COBRA benefits beyond the initial period. The first thing to remember is that the original qualifying event is usually the employee losing their job or having their hours reduced. This triggers the initial COBRA coverage, which lasts up to 18 months. The second qualifying event must happen within that 18-month window or within 29 months if a disability extension applies. It's important that it occurs during the original coverage period. Examples of these second events include the death of the covered employee, a divorce or legal separation from the employee becoming eligible for Medicare, or a dependent child losing their status as a dependent under the plan. The second event must be one that would cause the family member to lose their health coverage if the first event had not happened. So, if the employee's death occurs, the spouse or children could qualify for extended COBRA. Also, the individual affected must still be considered a qualified beneficiary at the time of the second event. They need to meet the original requirements for COBRA coverage. Once the second qualifying event occurs, the family member has a limited time to notify the plan administrator. Usually, they have 60 days from the date of the event or from when they learn about it, depending on the plan's rules. If all these conditions are met, COBRA coverage can be extended up to 36 months for the spouse and dependent children affected by the second event. This means they can keep their health benefits longer during major life changes. From a labor and employment law point of view, these rules help families stay covered during tough times. Employers and plan administrators are responsible for informing employees about their rights and how to notify them about a second qualifying event. Failing to notify the plan properly can mean losing the chance for extended COBRA benefits. So, it's important to understand these rules and act quickly if a second qualifying event occurs. In summary, a second qualifying event applies when a new life event happens during the initial COBRA coverage period that would cause loss of coverage. This allows the extension of COBRA benefits up to 36 months for eligible family members, helping them maintain health coverage during multiple transitions.